FOXWELL NT919BT All-System-Diagnosetool. Honest bidirectional power worth knowing. The FOXWELL NT919BT All-System-Diagnosetool is a professional wireless scanner that lets you read, test, and fix vehicles the way a dealership does, without the dealership appointment or the dealership bill. It connects to your car through Bluetooth, reads every module from engine to airbags to transmission, and then goes further by letting you actually command components to move, activate, and respond in real time. You can reset maintenance services, recode modules after replacement, and run active tests across over 140 vehicle brands, from a classic 1996 pickup to a brand new car running the latest CAN FD and DOIT protocols. It fits naturally into a daily workshop routine or a serious home garage setup. Imagine never staring at a code you cannot act on again. Here are the wins that matter most in real daily use. First, full system scanning covers every module in the vehicle, not just engine codes, which means you catch the ABS fault hiding behind the transmission warning before it becomes an expensive guessing game. Second, over 3,000 bidirectional active tests let you command components directly, so you verify the broken part before ordering anything. Third, 34 maintenance service functions handle oil resets, EPB retraction, ABS bleeding, battery registration, steering angle calibration, TPMS relearn, and more, all from one screen without extra tools. Here is where it gets interesting. Offline ECU coding lets you recode modules and enable or disable comfort features with no internet connection required. And fourth, lifetime free software updates mean this tool grows with you as vehicle technology evolves, with no subscription clock running in the background. Which of those matters most to your workflow right now? Picture this. A late model Jeep rolls in with a brake warning light and a vague ABS code. With a basic scanner, you read the code, clear it, and hope. With the NT919BT, you run an ABS active test, command the pump and valves directly, watch the response on screen, and immediately confirm which component is not responding. The fault is no longer a guess. It is a confirmed bad valve, and the repair order writes itself. I will be honest. The first time someone sets up ECU coding, there is a moment of hesitation. The menus are thorough and the options feel unfamiliar. But within 1 or 2 sessions, the workflow clicks. The step-by-step guidance on the 8-inch touchscreen pulls you through the process clearly. That initial doubt fades quickly once the result is sitting right in front of you, and the customer is satisfied. After testing a few options, one thing became clear. Most scanners in this category make big promises, but deliver partial results when the vehicle gets complicated. Don't just pick any bidirectional diagnostic scanner. Make sure it has lifetime free updates with full CAN FD and DOIT support, so you never waste your time on a tool that goes obsolete the moment a new model year rolls in again. The NT919BT covers over 140 brands and supports the modern protocols that newer GM, Chrysler, BMW, VW Group, Land Rover, and Jaguar models actually require. FCA Gateway Access unlocks protected modules on 2018 plus Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat vehicles that most mid-range tools simply cannot reach. Professional mechanics highlight the 3,000 plus active test library as the feature that separates it from code readers pretending to be diagnostic tools. One workshop user described it simply. This replaced 3 separate niche tools in one bay. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for speed, 2 for coverage, or 3 for long-term value. The FOXWELL NT919BT All-System-Diagnosetool gives you real bidirectional control, full system coverage, offline ECU coding, and lifetime free updates in one wireless platform built for serious work. Thousands of technicians and advanced DIYers already rely on it daily, and results naturally vary by vehicle and use case. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your setup. Check the link in the description and pinned comment. You deserve this.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.